Hello everyone. Now I'm going to represent one topic that is very much important in the physics of class 10th, and that is also known as the electricity. So we will discuss here about the electricity and all the content related to this electricity chapter. So first of all, we should know that what is called electricity. So electricity is generated. This name has been generated from the word electron. One all the materials around us is made up of atoms. So suppose that we all are made up of a this type of atom. This is atom. If it is atom, we are having a previous knowledge about the atom, that atom is having one nucleus inside it. This is its nucleus, and nucleus is having two types of its constituent particles. First one is the neutron, and next one is the proton. So these create a center of the matter, mean atoms. But one more important component of this atom is electron. Okay, so this electron never be stopped in the atoms. Mostly this moves around this nucleus in the matter. This moves around. So why I'm teaching this thing? The main matter of electricity is the moving electron is called electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a moving electron. Moving electron is called electricity. So every material is having its atom, and atoms are having its electron, and when this electron will move around the nucleus, it will create a special type of energy that will be create electricity. Mostly this electricity will be generated with the free electrons, because most of the electrons are engaged with their nucleus, so they are not working. But the atom which are having excess number of electron, and that can be moved in the wire. So wire is in this way. Suppose that this is a wire, so moving electron is moving in this direction, and electricity is generating in the opposite direction. Is it okay? So this was the basic things. What is electricity? Electricity is a moving electron. Now we are going to know what is the component of electricity. For what reason the electricity is used? Electricity is having this much component. The first component is conductor. What is conductor? All the materials are having electron, proton and neutron inside it, but most of them are engaged with each other and create zero force. But some atoms are having excess number of electron, either in the form of ions, either in the form of excess number of electron and the moving electrons. So this excess number of electrons in a material is called conductor. When any material is having excess number of electron or free electron, it is called conductor. So material having free electron, is called conductor. What type of materials are having free electron? Suppose that silver is having free electron inside it, so silver is a good conductor. Another conductor is copper. Copper is also having free electron, therefore it is also a conductor. Next one is aluminium. Aluminium is also a material which are having excess number of free electron, therefore it is also a conductor. The next important things are having electric circuits. Electric circuit. So we will study here about electric circuit. Electric circuit is a pathway of the electricity to move from one place to another place. So the short definition is the pathway of electricity is called pathway of electricity is called